Hi guys, so from today I'm starting my vlog, and just because I'm traveling to Nepal and I'm so excited about it. I'm just waiting for my flight, and my flight is 5:40. So I'm right now I'm here at the lounge just chilling and just bought the Tango. I don't know, I forgot the name. What was the name? It was the Tango juice or something, Tango iced tea. But it tastes really good. Hey, hi guys. And I just got here at Amsterdam airport, and I just had my morning coffee because it's already 7 a.m. here. And as you can see, all the airplanes outside. Hi guys, so I'm at the Mumbai airport right now, and I'm just waiting here. I have to wait 6-7 hours here. So my flight is tomorrow morning 8 a.m. Yeah, I guess it's in 8 a.m. and the time right now it's almost 1:30 p.m. So I have to wait almost like 6-7 hours. But I've done everything. Just I'm gonna go and eat something. So I went to the street food by Punjab Grill, and the food looks awesome. You can see. So I have rice, roti, dal, palak, paneer curry, and malai. What is it? I don't know the name, but it looks good. And I bought one water. Hi, Tashi Delek. 아니 카시데나 정말 아다데 क्या मुंबई के जे एयरपोर्ट लगे स्टार्ट दे ngatu is kala ndo sa yama chi ches minde da tije khandis kyo na samne jala na game che saro da kala da jala kunji computer da the screen jo ras tadi advertising shaida is ani diga dilani game do che chinte de ani pai la lena ani vlog kun chingo ani tanabe excited ni ani ngero pa yang pa excited kire ani pai la che yo. Hi guys, Tashi Delek. Ani tangat pai le chai, and this is my room. Da nothing I apartment rent chimba apartment jale. Ani dala TV chunjish tu. अनि the living room जोड़े ये challenge ना ता तंबोले से challenge समझ तो शाश है challenge चला या कुछ impact the room la basically the living room. It's a living room, and we have kitchen here. Kitchen there a kitchen the dining room, sorry about that. The dining room kitchen there la and the kitchen there kitchen changes to kitchen la tao cha si ba bi ju ge le tamo tong ba kan da challenge ndo kore ani di jara the dingai bedroom. It's still a mess. Dine da da tang su ge le challenge mo de shine ba na the back chi da ka bana khal ta ki da go chuk sai ani apartment dila like 2 bedroom 2 washroom. It's a big one. I can sing here too. Any go to the chair. Couple sara dahi de chi. And this one yem batte today. Jeng batte nombo de yem batte the chair. And then la bedroom chi gare. Dela mai ropa de ire. Dela kitu sare. And the light chair. Dela ire. And I have my protein shake. Balcony I did on this, right? Balcony and border to the border chudi. As you can see the border now from here. So this is the small balcony I have. Border not chudin pada. Border not chudin pada. But this is the first day, and it's now like 8 a.m. So 지금 야도 만도 아니 빙한 수도 아니 내가 제지 쇼핑 다시지 칼라사 아니 니라네 bye peace out chill 들어 bye. So the breakfast I have it's really good. I especially like the potato here. Potato it's quite spicy, but the salt I think it's still too much, but it's good because I like salt. And the pita bread is soft and creamy like tea. I mean it's water. It's good too. It's tea and egg, as you know. And this mixed bean curry. It's good too. So the food here is quite good. The place is quite clean as compared to the other place. And let me eat this. I'll see you later. Me. So after that amazing breakfast, now I'm here to try this amazing coffee. This is the coffee place called Malinjawa, and I used to work in Malinjawa when I was in this country. So look at the coffee, it's so beautiful, you know, the texture and everything. Look at the art. Look at it. It's a heart. I guess it's a leaf. And I can't wait to try this. And look at the place, it's so beautiful. It's both the stupa, as you can see the stupa right here. Have you found a good Okay, then try this coffee, you can see. It's great. Latte.